Harlech railway station is located at a level crossing on the A496 in the centre of the town of Harlech in Gwynedd, North Wales. The waiting shelters were installed to cater for the high numbers of school children commuting to and from neighbouring schools. The station is on the Cambrian Coast Railway with passenger services to Porthmadog, Pwllheli, Barmouth, Machynlleth and Shrewsbury. Until the 1960s there was a summer service between London Paddington and Pwllheli via Birmingham Snow Hill, Shrewsbury and Machynlleth. History. From January to April 2014, the line from Machynlleth was out of service for repairs due to storm damage north of Barmouth, and a replacement bus service was in operation. This was due to the major repairs required to the formation, which required a complete rebuild of the seawall as well as the track bed at Llanybur. Services to the north were also suspended until the beginning of September 2014, whilst a replacement for the Grade 2 listed 1867 wooden viaduct at Pont Brewett was being constructed. Services. Trains stop approximately once every 2 hours in each direction Mondays, Saturdays. There are 3 trains each way in the summer season, May to September, on Sundays, but just 1 in each direction in the winter months. Most southbound trains continue beyond Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street and Birmingham International. References. Sources. Butt, R.V.J., 1995. The Directory of Railway Stations details every public and private passenger station, halt, platform, and stopping place, past and present. First ed. Sparkford, Patrick Stevens Limited, ISBN 978-1-85265-87. OCLC 60251199. Jowett, Alan, March 1989. Jowett's Railway Atlas of Great Britain and Ireland, from pre-grouping to the present day. First ed. Sparkford, Patrick Stevens Limited, ISBN 978-1-85260-860. OCLC 22311137. External links. Train times and station information for Harlech Railway Station from National Rail. Railskid on Aberystwyth and Welsh Coast Railway.